She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And if you're new here, welcome. Here's where I share beauty and just things that I love, possibly nails and fashion in the future. But today we are going to talk about Cozette beauty. Recently I've been taking online courses from the makeup lovers, and Manique, makeup artist, mentioned about Cozette beauty, and I was like, I have to get it. So I jumped on their website and then I realized that they were having sales, which by the time that you see this, they should still be having the sales, hopefully. So I just received it. I haven't played with it. I thought maybe I can do a video to share my first impression and maybe do an easy look with you guys. So I got 3 items from Cozette Beauty. I got one of the 8-pen palette. This is called the Pride Matte palette. It's full of rainbow colors. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I like doing colorful makeup, especially rainbow, so I have to try this. So like I said, they are doing sales right now. This is retail for $115 originally, but right now it's only for $42, meaning that you save 65%. I think these are their new series of eyeshadows. So they originally, they have eyeshadows, but they have like a customizable pen kind of idea. So they have all these single eyeshadows and they sell like different palette. There's 8-pen, 12-pen, and the biggest one is 30-pen. And I think this is their latest one, which is like pre-selected for you. One of the problem I realized when I was purchasing is that they did not mention what shades are these, because obviously they have a name shade for all of their eyeshadows, but they did not mention in this particular and all the other pre-palettes. That was a problem for me, because if let's say in the future I want to buy more eyeshadows, I might end up buying the same shades that I have. I'm gonna break it down for you guys here. They did not mention anything, so I'm just really assuming here that it's 3 grams. And I did some math, so it is for $115, but I guess the good side is that you can choose whatever shades you want and you actually get to know the shade's name. Another thing that I got from them is the brush cleaner. This is called the Aromatherapy brush cleaner. It's essential oil. I kind of like that. I like oil, but if you are someone that are afraid of essential oil on your skin, you might need to avoid this product. I actually had a really weird impression of this brush cleaner at first, because this smells like something that I love and hate at the same time. And when I went on their site to see the ingredient, I finally understood why. Because the essential oil that they use, one was my favorite, which is lavender, and the other one, which is my least favorite, lemongrass. So it does basically smell like that. It smells like lavender, but it got like this ginger lemongrass in it. But because this is oil based, so it cleans the concealer really well. I'm gonna do a video soon on how I clean my brushes and some of the products that I use soon, and when I do, I'll leave a card here for you guys. So another thing that I got from Cozette is this tiny brush. This is the P375. When I was buying this, it says that it's being discontinued. I'm not sure why. Maybe they have new brushes coming soon, but from the first impression, just looking at this, it's quite thick. I like doing detailing stuff, creative makeup, so this is definitely way too thick for me. So one of the good thing about Cozette brushes is that it is vegan, so that means that it is synthetic. If that's something that you like, then maybe this is right up in your alley. But personally, I don't mind using synthetic or natural hair. I actually kind of like natural hair. But that's another topic again. One day I'll release a video sharing my brushes collection, because I do have quite a lot of them. Oh, and another thing that I want to mention is that since I am in Malaysia, and I believe this is an American brand, because their HQ is in New York, so the shipping is crazy. For me to buy this palette, the shipping to Malaysia is $69.65. That is ridiculous. So yeah, I had to ship these to my US address, which I guess is another video again. I have literally so much to share with you guys. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's play some makeup. I guess we have to do swatches first. So yeah. Let's do the yellow because yellow is a really hard color. I feel like they don't really show, but honestly, not bad. So the first touch, I realized that it's very buttery. It's not powdery, it's like very buttery. And the pigments are there, it doesn't seem chalky. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Maybe it's because I'm using my pinky. Okay guys, as I was trying to swatch these colors, I realized that these eyeshadows probably have different formula because for the navy blue, it's very powdery. There's like a lot of powders here, a lot of products. And for the light blue, it's super buttery. It's like just really creamy. I'm sorry guys, the first time I'm doing this kind of video, so I hope you can see these swatches well. Ooh, that blue, see the butter blue, it's so pretty. But so far, I really like the light blue. The light blue is gorgeous. And since I really wanted to try all of the colors and it's rainbow, so we're going to do a rainbow look today. Sometimes I feel like when eyeshadows are not working, like it's not blending, sometimes it's not really the eyeshadows. Like I wouldn't say that the eyeshadows is bad. I would just think that the eyeshadow is not meant for beginners. Hey guys, it's another day and as you can see, I've already done one eye. I'm using my favorite palette of all time. It is the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro. So this eye is done using this palette that I found that is the most blendable. It is so easy to use, so beginner friendly. So I figured I'll do one eye using a really easy to blend palette. And this eye, I'm going to do the same look using the Cozzette eyeshadow palette. I realized that this might help me kind of benchmark on whether how quick this is supposed to be done now that I've already done this. So yeah, on the previous clip, I noticed that I did two mistakes. One being that I used the light blue shade and for whatever reason it was just not going on. But so far I really like the light blue. The light blue is gorgeous. I tried to use blending brushes, I tried to use flat brushes and it just wasn't showing, and because of that it kind of already ruined the look. And the second mistake was that I used brushes that are too small because in order for me to get this kind of soft rainbow look, especially here, I need something bigger so I can kind of blend it and diffuse at the top. So with that being said, let's go. So I'm gonna go in with P. Louise Pro. I'm using Rumor 02. I swear guys, every time I do this, all I can hear is P. Louise going pat 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 pat. So I've actually taken one of the online courses that P. Louise have. It is called the Data Mine classes, I believe. I do have a video coming up regarding the courses, whether it is worth it and what I learned from it. Is there anyone that don't know who P. Louise is or haven't used the P. Louise base? So what I like to do is to sort of pack on the colors and I'll blend the edges of that color and then pack on the other color on it so that it's easier to blend. This is already turning out way better than last time without the light blue. And guys, if you want to learn how to blend, you should try this look because this look requires you to have very soft hand, which is necessary for blending actually, and I definitely learned it the hard way. So for this look, I just go in really softly and go in small circular motion with just a little bit of product as well, nothing crazy. Okay guys, so I'm done with the look. This is by Be Perfect and this is by the Cozzette eyeshadows. So what I realized is that the pigment is definitely there, the payoff is good, the yellow is great, but it is very patchy, the red and purple especially. The navy is very powdery and the light blue doesn't even work. So initially when you put down the colors, like the navy blue here, it was super pigmented, the payoff was incredible, but as I was blending, the whole look just became very gray tone So this is considered a very soft look. If I were to do like some cut crease and I need like 100% pigment, I'm pretty sure that this will be a nightmare to blend. Whereas on this hand, it's just easy. There's a reason why I like this palette, and there's a reason why some of the shades I've already hit pan. Would I recommend this product? Probably not, especially if you're a beginner. I think you should avoid this. But yeah, honestly, I feel like it's such a shame because I really like their packaging. Out of so many palettes that I have, only a number of them have this kind of like a soft cushion packaging. So that concludes my thought on the Cozzette eyeshadows. And another disclaimer, this is not my design. It is by Tias.mua. She has so many beautiful looks, so many beautiful rainbows. You guys can go check her out, check out her work. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till now, I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget, today is another beautiful day to create something beautiful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye!